and I will show you in more detail in the car. But once you've got this down, are you thinking about buying a mount, specifically a MagicMount for your car? I'm going to show you what it looks like inside of my car, but first let's unbox it together. This was sent to me by the brand to have a look at, unbox, review, and tell you a little bit about it. So thank you to them for sending this over. They did send me 2 styles of mounts. This version can be put on the window or glass along with the dashboard. And this one is really meant for the dashboard, although you can use it as well for the glass. So it just really depends on which style or which version kind of fits you and your car better. But both of these have MagSafe wireless charging. They are the #1 mount brand. So a ton of experience, a ton of reviews that stand behind these products. And they are Qi 2 certified fast chargers. When you unbox them, you're going to get instructions, and you will get a old school cigarette lighter plug that goes into your car. And it has a USB-C plug, and that is what you're going to use to plug into the mount. And I'll show you now. So let's use this version first. It has kind of a telescopic arm right here. And basically the way these work, right, is that this bottom part is very sticky, or has kind of like a grippy, sucky, sticky material function, suction. I don't know what the technical word is, but basically this, right, sticks to your glass or it sticks to your dashboard. And then here is where you put your phone. So you put your phone like that. This sticks either to the glass or to the dash. And not only is it a mount, but with the cable, and if it's connected to the adapter that's included, it does act like a fast charger. When you get this, it will be covered with this flyer, and instructions are very easy. If you ever need to, you can scan the QR code and it will show you. But what's cool is, let's say you use it for a while and you need to move cars. Once you take this off, you just rinse this in warm water and it just like takes it back to the original. So this version with this telescopic arm is adjustable right here. It has this knob, which you loosen or tighten as you need. And then the arm will move and just kind of go in the direction that you need it to. There is also here, there's a tilt and rotation on this part right here. So once you have put it in the place you want, you can kind of stick your phone on it. So once you're happy, you're good to go. You will set this and tighten this once. And I took this out of the car to do this video, and I haven't had to adjust it since. It does have the cable. You can't remove the cable. So if you just wanted this as a mount, this probably is not the best one for you, as there's more minimalist mounts out there. But this does have the cable. So all you got to do is plug the USB-C plug into the adapter, plug this into your car, and then you're good. You're not having to worry about anything as far as charging your phone. Once you have mounted it, and I will show you in more detail in the car, but once you've got this down, you're going to clip, or you're going to push this down, and that's really what's going to form the suction, and it's what's going to keep this in place. You know, it does say to leave it on for hours before you put your phone on it, and for sure, probably do that. That's this one. They're the #1 mount brand. They've got thousands and thousands of reviews. So if you're looking at something like this, and this definitely checks all your boxes, then, you know, you're good to go. If you want to buy this on Amazon, there is a link below. Please click it. It just helps to support the channel. Also, hit the heart, like, follow, whatever button is there. Just helps small creators like me. Thank you. So this version of the mount, right, is shorter, and it will sit on your dashboard, or it will sit like that on your glass. And the same functionality, you put your phone right here and plug this into the adapter, and you've got Qi 2 power on your phone. It really depends on the type of car you have, how much space you have. If this particular version is better than one with the telescopic arm, But once you've got it in place, and I will show you in more detail when we get in the car, see how this little lever right here is up. Once you've got it on the dash, you're gonna push down on that, and that is what's gonna create that suction to keep it in place. Overall, MagicMount, the #1 rated phone mount on Amazon, thousands of reviews. And if you're looking for something like this and you're not 100% sure, I can tell you that they are top quality mounts and chargers. Let me show you how I put it on. It's sturdy. I mean, obviously you got to prep it better. Go like that with the, there you go. Now this is on, it's not going to fall. Same thing with this one. These are on. Here is that first Magic Mount. I've got it mounted to the window here. Just want to show you how strong that is. This is the second one that's mounted to the dashboard. Now, this is freshly applied maybe 10 minutes ago, and I'm in South Florida. It's very hot, but it's been holding on really well. And as you can see, the cable is here where you plug it into the outlet, and that's how you would be able to charge your phone. Same thing here. These do come with, it's hard to see, but you see these little clip or cord organizers? Each Magic Mount comes with one of these. So once you found the place that you want it to be in, you would then, use this to help organize and keep the cables out of the way. I would recommend first to put it in the place you think you want it and have it just kind of just leave the cords hanging while you figure out where you want the mount to be, and just make sure that you want it in that position, because you may change your mind and then it becomes a real nightmare to kind of like move everything around. And just trust me, I know from experience. But as you can see here, my phone, it just fits perfect. Same thing here. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see how easy it was to take on and take off. You lift the ledge once you're ready for it to come off, and it pops right out. Same thing with this. Once I'm ready for it to come off, I lift that level, and then I take this little part right here, and just it comes right off the glass. Super simple.